Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you about how to pin columns on Monday.com. So if you're using Monday.com and if you need to pin a specific column, you just need to follow this video and you'll be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com, and once when you logged in into your account, you need to open a board that you're working on and the board of which column you want to pin. So I'm going to open this board right here. So you can see that there are a lot of columns right here, a column of task, owner, status, due date, priority, and I can add a few more columns just to show you how does this work. So I have added some other columns as well. So pinning a column means that the column will stay fixed with you and it will move along with you if you swipe right or left. So to pin a column, what do you need to do? You need to follow these steps carefully and you will be good to go. You need to click on these three dots right here and you have to click on this pin columns. And here you have to select the column that is going to be pinned. For example, if I select owner, now this column has been pinned, and when I move right, when I swipe right and left, it's going to stay stationary right here. So if I want to pin another column, for example, status, I will be able to pin status, but owner column will also be pinned. You can't pin status and not owner. This thing works in, I would say, an order that you pin this, all this is going to be pinned as well. You can't just pin due date only and not these two. So they're going to come with you. So I've pinned status. And now when I'm going to do that, both of these columns are going to stay fixed or stationary. If I add another column right here, due date, now all these three columns, four columns, will move along. So all these four columns, they're going to stay stationary like this. So that's how you pin a column. I hope you found this video informative. I'll be back with some more videos.